Hey, it's John here. Today we're going to go through a topic that I think needs to be discussed. And if you're looking for a different kind of a email provider for your blog, I believe I've got the answer for you. But just stay tuned and listen to what I have to say about this thing called Drip. Now, if you've not started at the beginning of this series that I'm doing, there will be a link in the description that you can go ahead and start at the beginning, go in the description of that video and download the free PDF I created that helps you set up Drip the way you should for a blog. So that said, let's go ahead and dive on in. Okay, so in order to get to the workflows, you want to go over here to automations, click on workflows, wait for that to come up, and now you're seeing all the workflows that I have going on in my back, I want to call it my back office, but for instance, let's just do something really simple like the Genius Bloggers Toolkit. Not a whole lot of stuff here, but what I did here is I added a whole segment of people. This one is probably going to be all subscribers. Yes, it is. I pulled everyone into this. I sent them an email. Actually, I sent them a toolkit campaign. And these campaign emails will continue to go unless they do not want to be a part of that, in which they can unsubscribe from this campaign. Once they've completed the Genius Toolkit, that's a goal. And I didn't do anything as far as, getting a link like, did you purchase this thing or not? Usually when you do a goal, like because they've purchased something and you don't want them to come back in here and keep getting emails. However, this is a very short campaign, like a week long, 1 email per day. And if you get this stuff, the Genius Bloggers Toolkit, then you probably don't mind getting a couple more emails. Let's go look at a different campaign. Here's something interesting here. We get a little birthday automation, and this is something you can download directly from Drip. So this is a very small workflow, but it does a lot. There's a lot of variables in here, I'd say. So you want to update the birthday custom field, set birthday date to subscriber birthday, which you have to know what this birthday is, and you'd have to ask them for that birthday. When's your birthday? Let me know and I can send you something. Subscriber has a birthday date field greater than now date. So in other words, it's saying your birthday is coming up in the next year. That's what. And if it says, and if the birthday is coming up in the next year until December 31st or until the day before yesterday, it's going to go up to no, set next birthday to now date, year +1, subscriber date. But it's basically saying your birthday is now, and then once you've had your birthday, it's not going to do this anymore. I'm going to show you some other stuff here with these workflows. These workflows are that you can get from Drip are amazing. So you submitted a form on Facebook or you submitted a form on your blog. Now we're going to say, all right, we're going to do a split test. We have a control, path A, we have B option, and C option. We have a welcome to the family, welcome to the family. Wait a day and resume at 11. Add a person to Facebook custom audience, and you can see how you can just test all these. Then you know which workflow you can start using. Send meet some of our fan favorites. And when you set this up and you have a few hundred people that you can send these to, you can really get a lot of data out of this. But you get the idea now that you can do a lot of stuff with these workflows, and you're not sitting at your computer typing out these mad emails and like, okay, this one goes to Johnny, this one goes to Sarah, this one goes to, it keeps going on. And the days of coding and being a total computer whiz, I guess you would call it, are over. It's just point and click now. We have the technology, as Bruce Banner would say, right? Is that Bruce Banner or is that that's the Bionic Man? We have the technology. That was one of my favorites back in the day when I was a kid. So I have this one set up here as well.
added here. And these are pages that you can enter into this one from. And I want to make sure that you're getting the PDF that I'm sending. And if you haven't gotten it, I'm going to wait another and I'm going to send it again, send another email for you. Say, hey, why haven't you downloaded this PDF? And if you have, just reply to me is what I'm going to eventually do in here, because this is not completed yet. So that said, you want to have your workflows set up because it makes your automations and your decision making so much better. And so that is going to finish off today's video. And I definitely want to say one last thing before I end. In the next video, I want to talk to you about why you should be using Drip as a blogger. And as a blogger, you have so much more control over things. And I know that a lot of bloggers are using ConvertKit, and ConvertKit's a great product, but I think you're going to have a lot more control over things in Drip. And I want to see that you're using it. I want to see that you're getting the value out of Drip too. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that. If you haven't subscribed to my email, do that as well, because I do notify you that there's new videos up. Whereas sometimes YouTube doesn't, but you want to make sure you hit that bell too. So anyways, that is it for today. I'll see you next week, and I wish you a wonderful day.